Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome or any other browser. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Okay, so first of all we need to make sure we have the correct date and time on our device. Sometimes if the date and time is wrong on your computer, then this can cause an issue. So in case if you have checked it and date and time is wrong, then what you need to do, open up the search bar and type in there date and time, and once you see it in here, just open it up. Over here we need to make sure the correct time zone is selected, and also these options all should be enabled. If you try this method and still there is no lock, then the next solution is to clear your web browser history and cookies. So to do that, just open up your web browser. Once you open your Chrome browser, on the top right corner click on these three dots, then select settings, and on the left click on privacy and security. On the top in here, click on clear browsing data. We have two options in here, basic and advanced. So just click on advanced and then select the time range that you want to clear your browsing history and cookies. So if I just click on all time, and then over here, as you can see, all the information here will be deleted, anything that you ticked. And then just click on clear data. If you're still having an issue, then you can try another web browser like Microsoft Edge or any other browser on your computer. So in case if you are able to access the website in your Microsoft Edge browser but not in Google Chrome, then what you can do, just open up the Google Chrome again, and on the top click on three dots, then select settings, and at the bottom in here click on extension. And over here on the extension, make sure to remove or turn off any recently installed plugins, as sometimes this could be one of the reasons that is causing the issue. And also the next solution is to change or check the DNS server in your computer. So to do that, on your keyboard press Windows key and R to open up Run, and type in here ncpa.cpl, and then just click OK. Over here choose the internet connection that you're working on. So in my case I'm working on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to right click on Wi-Fi and select properties, and next in here select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Then we need to select this option, use the following DNS server address, and for preferred DNS server type in there 8.8.8.8, and then for the bottom one, which is alternative DNS server, type in there 8.8.4.4. Just in case you have already selected this option in the past and it still is not working, then you can just choose the top one which says obtain DNS server address automatically, and just click OK. And next close all this and open up your command prompt. So to open up the command prompt, just go to search and type in there cmd, and make sure you run the command prompt as an administrator. So just right click on it and select run as administrator. Type this command in the command prompt and press enter. So once you see this command successfully flash the DNS, just go ahead and close this one. And now open up your browser and check to see if you are able to access the website. If not, then just type in your browser chrome:/flags and just press enter. On the top in the search bar, type in there certificate, and then in here where it says allow invalid certificates for resources loaded from localhost, make sure you enable this option. After you enable this option, at the bottom as you can see, it will ask you to relaunch your browser. So go ahead and click on relaunch and check to see if your browser is working fine now. The last method to try, go to your Windows search bar and type in there Internet Options. Open it up. On the top select Content tab, and then next click on Clear SSL State. As you can see, successfully cleared the SSL cache. If you have tried all these methods and you're still having a problem, then I would suggest you contact your internet service provider. And that's all. Oh no, by the way, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, thanks for your support and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.